Yo, haha, Bill Nicholson.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy Mel Nicholson coming back with a quick electronic. Man, this is going to be a good update for me. At least I wanted to go over the Quest 2 Elite strap with the battery pack and the carrying case. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, this is going to be a game changer. I know it retails at $129, pretty much $130, because I got mine off the Oculus website. The thing about this is I ordered this a week after I got the Quest 2 headset. And you're probably wondering, why the heck did it take so long for them to ship it to me? And it had nothing to do with USPS and UPS and FedEx. It was the fact that there were some consumers who said that the actual strap itself cracks. Now, I don't know if that's the truth or not, but in talking with Oculus, they said that they kind of tested this, and you really have to use this headset, at least this strap, and break it to in existence for it to crack the way people were saying it was cracked. And honestly, I'm going to be honest. If it cracked, it's probably cracked due to excessive use, or maybe it wasn't tight enough on the head and it flew off, and then it cracked that way. And even if it did slightly crack, and these are the cracks that I'm talking about right here, you can see the still picture, I'm going to use what's called Gorilla Glue to put this thing back together. Because unless the actual battery pack is not working, there's no need for me to send this strap back to Oculus saying it doesn't work. Cosmetic stuff, I'm not worried about that. So, finally, it just got in. I was actually on break, came back, and then the box was sitting right here. So we're going to basically just go straight into the box. It's supposed to give you additional 4 hours on top of the 4 hours that you would normally get in terms of charging time with the Quest 2. So that gives you a total of 8 hours. And the best part about this device is that once you charge the actual battery pack on the Elite strap, it also charges the headset itself. So let me bring this out right here. The one thing people were complaining about, and I don't blame them, was the actual strap that it comes with in terms of the Quest 2 headset, because it is very, not hard, but it's not really, in my opinion, it's not structured. It's not like the Quest, the first Quest version, where the actual strap was hardened. So all you have to do is kind of like conform it to your head. And I felt like it was more sturdy. Here, there's no counterbalance, and that's what actually this is supposed to do, and we'll find that out just momentarily. But this strap, I mean, the only way I could figure out how to keep it on tight is when you pull, see if I can do it right here. If you pull these, you look at the back right here and you pull this, bring it up close to you, right? And let's say you move this strap and pushed it. That kind of pushes the strap here. It was kind of a rigged way of doing it, but it made the headset tight on your head. So it's not loose. You can sit there and do what you need to do. And it kind of worked up until you were done. So that's my little trick for anybody that was wondering. That's what I did in order to fix it. And with that said and done, let's open this box up and see what it looks like. Me personally, like I said, $129 for this, but I can guarantee you right now, you can try to get it online for retail, and it's not going to happen because, again, you got resellers out there who are either with eBay, StockX, whatever it is, and they're flipping these devices, meaning they're reselling these devices for double the cost. I think I saw $315 for this. And this is why I was telling people that sometimes you don't want to think about something that you want to get, because during this pandemic, it's going to be hard to get certain things, especially when they're in demand. And these companies can produce as much as they want. But unfortunately, because the demand is so high and they can't keep up with demand, that pushes the product back. So let's just say you were that type of person that said, you know what, I'll wait for it. I'll wait for it to either go and sell, which I highly doubt at this point, or I'll just wait for it to be available and then I'll order it again. And these things called bots will order something so fast that by the time you can put your first letter and your name into any entry box, it's sold out. That's how quick things are. And now, instead of paying $129 like I did for retail, in order to get this within the next 4 or 5 months, or as long as this pandemic is going on, you're now looking at a $300 price point. So I know it sucks. Don't get me wrong. I can hear your complaints, but one of the reasons why I said it before, at least when I did the Quest 2 headset, is to be proactive. Because once you're proactive and you're kind of working in a future term, it costly. It won't cost as much. So let me open this box because I want to see it for myself. And I'm going to do this separately live in terms of putting this strap, this headset strap on the actual Quest 2 headset itself. So let me put this down right here. Ooh, bad boy right here. Shout out to Oculus because, man, I was working with them during this whole pandemic, trying to figure out basically what to do with the order. Because my order did go through, but they gave me the option to cancel it, do that a whole cracked strap incident that was going on. But this is the hot item right here. You know, again, Oculus, shout out to you guys. Facebook, thank you for working with me to make sure my order was fulfilled, even though you guys had your cases open. Glad you guys got that cleared up. And with that said and done, let's get straight into the box. So this is the box right here. Kind of looks similar to the whole Quest 2 box in itself. It does have, I think it's tape on the top, so I got to take this out in order to pull this off.
I'm losing my voice, my apologies, because it wasn't busy. Oh, jeez. It wasn't busy, and I don't know what's been going on. The next 2 weeks will be brutal for me, so let me pull this bad boy out. And like I said,
this is a convenience thing for a lot of people because I VR a lot. I'm always on alt space. People see me all the time. They'll say hi. And unfortunately, I can't utilize... Oh, there's tape on this side. I just felt that. I can't utilize the headset long enough to meet a lot of people. So this will help me. So if you see me in alt space or you see me on any other platform where it's a multiplayer, hit your boy up and just say hi. Send a request. Miltnificent YouTube, I think, is my screen name in alt space, and I'll definitely accept it. As long as you're not doing anything weird, I'll do it. I'll do a little setup. I knew that was going to happen. I knew that was going to happen. I knew it was going to... It's going to happen. But that's why I like to do it live. Now, I will say this. It's a good thing that they packed everything inside the whole package thing. The carrying case, I should say. And actually, ooh, it feels durable. So look, I just did a drop test for you guys, even though it kind of accidentally slept out the box and I wasn't paying attention. Regardless, this is durable. This is very durable. So for the price, this is not bad at all. I didn't expect this. So with that said and done, let me actually let me open this bad boy up. And hopefully nothing else drops out. I like how the fact that you have this strap right here. And it just serves as a zipper and it goes around the carrying case in order to open up. And of course, the cushion in here is designed to keep everything intact so it doesn't crack or drop just like I just did. I like the inside though. That is pretty dope. It's pretty dope. I like that. The strap here comes out like this. And of course, it's going to come with your manual. They had right in here. See what else they got here. This is my first time kind of looking at this, so bear with me. Of course, we're going to take this off. I already know what to do. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. So this is the strap in itself where people were saying that it would crack. Now, me personally feeling this, you literally have to do a lot, and I mean a lot, to crack this strap. Because it's not something that you have to, you get what I'm saying? Like, you have to really like bang it against the wall or something like that to even start cracking. So let me just take this off and, man, this feels good. So we're going to take this strap right off the battery pack and off the straps itself. Okay. Oculus, I see what's going on right here. Man, I got the tape going on right here. Let's take this off, and this is the strap itself. They said it was easy, but we're going to find out how easy it actually is. Now, this is the strap that's going to go over your head. So once you put it on here, this will act as a counterweight. That's what the battery pack is actually doing. And this kind of, actually felt good. This will sit behind your head for the back of this. And this is pretty dope. And of course, this is where, once I take this portion off, it does come with this. So you have to take this off because this is the actual USB 3.0 plug that has to plug directly into the actual headset in itself. You can see that right there. Now, let's take this bad boy off and see how hard it is to actually interchange this for this. I've seen people do it, but I've seen some slow edits and stuff like that, and I don't want to do any B-rolls or anything like that. I just want to kind of do it. Ooh, that actually just comes off just like that. That's pretty dope. I'm guessing the other side just comes off, and all you have to do is worry about the actual strap itself, which I will put in here. See how hard it is to take out. Ooh, man. That's going to be interesting trying to get back in here. Of course, the easiest way to do this, and I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys. See this headset right here? This is the actual headset, but this is an insert. So once you take that insert off, this is what people aren't telling you. Once you take that insert off, then you can slide the strap in there and it'll make it easier. And then you just plug it back in. So I can tell from that portion that it's not that hard, but don't forget, this is the key step. This actually comes off. This headset part comes off. We should be able to slide into the strap in here and connect everything. That's what we're going to do right now.
I don't know how long, it took a while for this to come in. I'm so excited to have this. And there we go. We'll put this on this side. This is in. Let's put this on this side. I'm probably fast doing this right now, so. Oh, God. And make sure this stuff is, make sure your we call it the straps on itself is on tightly. Put this in here. Jeez. It seems like, it make it seem like it's easy to put on, but.
Don't do what I just did, which is put it on the wrong side. Make sure the strap, this is what you need to do. As soon as you take it out the box, I wasn't even paying attention. This is how tired I am. Just plug it directly up in there. And the reason why I say that is because you'll figure out which side is which. See how that plugs right here? Now this should be able to, I'm guessing it should be able to put on correctly. There you go. So that comes on. That comes on. This is what I was talking about. Because this part adjusts like this, just make sure it's straight facing towards you. This way it's easier to put on. All right. So that snaps in there. Okay, so far so good. We do have to take, this is what I was talking about, the strap and kind of go underneath. You can see what I'm doing right there. And go underneath and pull up and pull out, because we have to put the glasses back on, which is what we're going to do. So let me put this bad boy on here. All right, so we are back. Now, the part that I had problems with was my finger got cut. No lie, my finger got cut. But anyway, once you put the actual, like the glasses back on the actual headset, all you have to do is put the strap in there. Just like I pulled everything back off, put it back on, and leave some room for the strap. You'll be able to pull and adjust accordingly. So that is kind of the assembly of how it goes. And from what I read, once you plug in the USB cord that comes with your Oculus, the power cord that goes in the back of here, again, it's going to charge not just the battery pack, but it's going to charge the actual headset. A total of 8 hours, but it depends on the type of game or the usage that you're playing, because if you're using this for gaming, I'm pretty sure the battery's going to kind of drain a lot faster than what it would if you used, and I doubt anybody does 8 hours worth of video streaming. Of course, that's what you can do. So in order to adjust the headset on your head, you can use the stylus in the back. And what it's doing basically is just pushing itself out over the straps every time you push and turn like this. So I'm going to try to put mine on live. It's probably not a good idea, but I'm going to do that anyway. So, ooh, man. And the best part about this, oh man, it feels so good. The best part about this is the fact that, yes, you can see right here, it's on my head, but I like the fact that you do have quite a few adjustments that you can do, and I can see why the hype is real for this, and you can actually still move this back and forth. You should be able to see that. But this portion right here, it just sits so perfect behind your head. There's no way this is going to slip off. So your boy Magnificent, man, the Oculus Quest 2 with the carrying case and the battery pack is definitely worth it. If you can get this for $129 without having to worry about bots or anything like that, because right now, in order to get this product, I guarantee you're not going to get it for $129. If you really want it and you want it shipped to you, it's going to be at least $300+. Look, giving you the evidence right here. There's just no doubt in my mind. I can see why the hype is here. But again, your boy Magnificent, shout out to you, Oculus, for again keeping through with my order. This is why I didn't want to wait, because I knew that if I did wait after the whole case was over with the whole broken strap thing, if I waited for this and tried to reorder through Oculus, I can't even do it now. I have to get notified, meaning they have to notify me when it becomes available to purchase. But again, by the time it comes purchased, but by the time it becomes available to purchase, it's you as a manual user going against people that are operating what's called bots, meaning they can buy something that's faster than you can put in your first name, and that is unfortunately unfair, but that's the name of the game. That is the name of the game. So your boy Magnificent, again, shout out to you, Oculus, for this headset, because or at least the Elite strap, actually, and the headset, because the day I pre-ordered this Quest 2, it came the same day it got delivered when this got released. So you guys came through. I'm gonna play around with this and see if I can get my 8 hours. I'll let you guys know in a future video if that is the case. So I am out, and this was kind of cool because it was featured bloopers, right? Got the Oculus Quest 2 carrying case falling out the dang box. I cut myself trying to put the headset on, but that was just me being stupid. And I also put it on the wrong way. So again, make sure when you put this on, just plug it directly up and you'll know whether you have the right side or not. But whatever it is, it is what it is. Your boy Magnificent, I am out. You guys, stay blessed.